changed, boss. We pull in money, recruits, just to combat Cypher. Rubbing our noses in bloody battlefield dirt. All for revenge. The world calls for wet work, and we answer. No greater good. No just cause. Cause. Cypher sent us to hell. But we're going even deeper.
I know. I'm already a demon. Heaven's not my kind of place anyway.
Dogs of war for 9 whole years. That ends today. Now you're not sleeping, and we're not junkyard hounds. We're diamond dogs.
Let them talk.
We can crush Cypher, boss. And you can build the army that can do it.
Just one thing, Kaz. This isn't about the past. We're fighting for the future.
Boss, there's something I want to talk about. It concerns the run. You came. Go for them, not me. That's enough. This base belongs to you now. Make Diamond Dogs the force it deserves to. Like any organization, we need good people, and we need to make good use of their talents. Miller asked me to lay that out for you. Start bringing people in, use this. It's a Fulton recovery device. When you're in the field, use it to extract any soldiers or prisoners you want back here. And we'll see if we can't persuade them to join the ranks of Diamond Dogs. Go on. Test it out on the staff here. Anyone you want. First, put them to sleep. You have a tranquilizer gun, don't you?
Don't pull any punches.
Out like a light. Now approach him and extract him. First, put him to sleep. You have a tranquilizer gun, don't you? First, put him to sleep. You have a tranquilizer gun, don't you? First, put him to sleep. You have a tranquilizer gun, don't you? Good.
Extraction arrived at Mother Base. Extraction arrived at Mother Base.
You can only Fulton recover someone if they're not resistant.
Boss!
No dead bodies either. They don't make great recruits. The staff member you just extracted will be assigned to the team best suited to his abilities. See for yourself. Open your eye droid. Select staff management from the mother basement. So that staff member is placed on the R&D team.
Extraction
the R&D team is in
arrived
charge
at
of
Mother
developing all
Base.
kinds of weapons and items that will support
Unit
you on
function
missions.
added.
Take a look at the
Development
development list.
project has
Select
been
weapons
added.
items under the development heading. What's wrong? Go back to the mother base menu. Select weapons items under the development heading. Come on, go ahead and select the red mark.
Please
That's
specify
the R&D
project.
team's development list. Now select cardboard box and start development. Just be aware that development requires funds. Development has finished.
Please select a
You can
drop
have the support
point.
unit supply you with weapons and
Supplies
items you develop.
requested.
Think of it as your own personal
Supply
delivery
drop
service.
complete.
And there it is. Not sure what it's good for, but Miller said you know what to do. Try it out. One thing I should mention. Fulton extraction won't always be successful. If the person is injured, the shock of it could kill them. And if the weather's unfavorable, well, it could end up going missing. You can determine the chance of success by approaching the person you want to extract. If you want to be sure you can get them out, best carry them to the chopper instead. One last thing. Staff members you extracted were all placed on the R&D team, but that was Miller's decision. If you think they belong somewhere else, feel free to move them around. That about does it.
Mission
We won't
info
make
has
any
been
DMV
updated.
to find recruits here. Board the chopper when you're ready for a mission. Open your eye droid and select a landing zone to teleport. Or if you're still in the mood for it, back up your ass. Stay around here a while. Just come pay me a visit.
Extraction arrived at Mother Base. Extraction arrived at Mother Base. Extraction arrived at Mother Base.
Boss! Boss! Boss!
Extraction arrived at Mother Base. Extraction arrived at Mother Base. Marker placed. Please select a landing zone.
This is B-Quad. Arriving shortly at LZ. Pequod, on station at LZ.
You have arrived at your destination.
Gaining altitude.
Extraction arrived at Mother Base. Development project has been added. Mission list updated.
Boss, I know you haven't been back long, but I prepared a list of missions for you. Open your iDroid.
Please select a mission.
I've taken the job offers Diamond Dogs has received and made a list of those I want you to consider. Which ones you accept is your call. The objectives of the missions I've added are prisoner rescue, facility sabotage, and high-value target elimination. Probably all a walk in the park for you, but they should help you get back on your feet. I put the mission details on a cassette tape. Refer to it if you decide to accept the mission. We'll receive GMP for completing missions, and extracting soldiers and prisoners will boost our ranks. Building up Mother Base is the first step to achieving our goal. If that means wet work, so be it. We're gonna have to get our hands dirty. I hope you're rested up, because we're not stopping. Not until the pain is gone. The future of Diamond Dogs is in your hands. We're counting on you, boss.